In this video, we're going to check out my Xmas Income Monster review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my Xmas Income Monster review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, also coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. So let's take a look at my bonus page here. So as you can see, this product launched on Monday, December the 9th, 2024, and it's going to end Friday, December the 13th, 2024. So make sure you keep an eye on this timer here, but that's going to tell you when my bonus is going to end, and it's also going to tell you how long you have left before this product goes up. So make sure you keep an eye on that. So now let me tell you exactly what you need to do. Look under this video in the YouTube description. Find my bonus link. It should be the first link in there. Click it. That's going to take you to this bonus page, okay, that we're looking at right here. And make sure you scroll down this page before you go to the sales page. You want to click any one of these buttons right here on my page that says click here to get Xmas Income Monster now. That's going to lock in my bonuses that I have for you right here on this page. And I'm going to show you those towards the end of the video, so stick around. Okay, so we're going to come back to my bonus page a little later. So let's go ahead now and check out the sales page. Okay, so the sales page reads, great passive income opportunity. Want 3 times great chances to earn commissions? Are you ready to finally get passive results? Earn commissions whenever people buy 3 of our best-selling products. Triple earnings opportunity, 100% commissions on the front end. So that's cool, right? You get 100% commissions on the front end. Okay, you don't need a list. You don't need experience or technical skills. And there's guaranteed approval for our 100% done for you system. So basically what that means is you're going to be getting your affiliate link for 3 of his products. Okay. He's going to put you on his rotator list. That means you're going to get sales, guys. Okay. And we're going to talk about more of that when we get into the members area, all right? So let's scroll down here. So this is Dodd. This is the creator of the product. Oh, you can go ahead and watch the sales video. It's pretty good. Okay, just read through the page, guys. I'm not going to read all this. Here's some income proof. Okay, so basically, what is Xmas Income Monster? So this is what's all included. Benefit from 3 times passive earning income opportunities. So of course, you're going to get those 3 affiliate links that he's going to be promoting for you on his products. So don't confuse that. It's not going to be any product that you can pick because it's his products to where he can guarantee you that you're gonna get in there to be able to get that link, because one of the main problems is when you're just getting started in affiliate marketing and you go to try and get an affiliate link for a product on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or whatever, you know, if they don't know you, you don't have any stats, well, chances are they're gonna tell you no. So in this case, you're gonna get guaranteed approval, right? Okay, complete done for you system, step-by-step, easy to follow videos, get everything set up in minutes, suitable for total beginners, improve your Warrior Plus score easily. So yeah, as soon as you start making sales, your score is going to go up on Warrior Plus. So this is cool, and if you think about it, it's going to improve your Warrior Plus score easily. So what I was just talking about, this is going to help you improve your score so that whenever you do want to promote some other people's products, they're going to see that you actually made some sales now, so they're probably going to approve you, right? So that's going to help you out. All traffic's provided by our internal promotions, no technical skills whatsoever. So you don't need to write emails, you don't need to do anything, guys. It's really cool, right? You just submit those 3 links and you just sit back and collect commissions. Simple, right? All right, so let's scroll down here. Here's the bonus. He's got 5 fast action bonuses for you. Time for chat. Bonus 2, the Tiger Report. Bonus 3, monthly income system 2.0. Bonus 4, back to basics. Bonus 5, fast list now. Build a fast email list. So this is going to be cool for you as well because it's going to teach you how to build an email list fast. That way, once you start making sales here and you want to start promoting other people's products, you'll have a list built up to where you can promote their products to someone, right? There's your 30-day money-back guarantee, and it's only $10, guys. So if you're looking for a system that's under $10 where you can sit back, relax, and collect commissions, this is the one. So let's go ahead and check out the members area now. Okay, so we're inside the members area here. You have a welcome video. You have some other cool things that you can check out right here. Some free training and other cool stuff under the video. So you have the overview video in here. Apply for your links in this tab. So you're going to have 3 links in there you're going to apply for, and you're going to have to stick in a certain phrase to make sure that you get 100% commissions on that front end, okay? Bonuses, upgrades in case you went through the funnel, you didn't pick up certain things, you want to get them later, go ahead and get that. Global ambassador bonuses and some unadvertised bonuses in this tab. In my past videos, I would always go through the upgrades and the downsells throughout the whole funnel. I'm not going to do that in this video, and I'm not going to do that in any more videos through 2025 because you pretty much know what you're going to go through, right? You're going through a funnel. If you're buying products, you know you're going to go through a funnel. It's not hard. Okay, you watch the videos, read what's on the page. If you're not interested, just click the no link and it'll go to either a downsell page or it won't have a downsell page. So I just want to show you one of the upgrades because this one's important. They're probably all important depending on what you're trying to do. But for this case, this gives you extra from what you got in the $10 product, right? So in this one, you're going to get 5 links instead of just the normal 3. So it might be worth the upgrade. And the rest of the things, just go through them. If you don't want them, just click the no thanks link right here on each of the upgrades, and you can go through the funnel to get to your main product, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and check out my bonuses now. Okay, so this is important. This is a time-sensitive offer, so act now to guarantee my bonuses, okay? Get Xmas Income Monster right now and get these 5 bonuses below worth $295. So my first bonus is email marketing for beginners. So you're going to learn how to decode and dissect an email so that you can emulate master copywriters. So if you are already an experienced email marketer, you could probably skip this one, guys. So this is for beginners. Bonus number 2 is my YouTube cash. So this is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. Bonus number 3, how to manage your time wisely. So you're going to learn how to use your time to your advantage by focusing on what is most important. Now, this is in 2020 that I created this, but don't worry about that date. This is evergreen training, guys. So even in 10 years from now, you can use this training. Okay, it's evergreen. And my bonus number 4 is 25 free traffic sources. So you're going to learn how to drive massive traffic from these 25 free traffic sources that I use daily. And finally, bonus number 5, discover how you can generate significant income from proven side hustles and make all the money you want. So act now and guarantee these extra bonuses worth $295. So let's do a recap here. Bonus number 1, email marketing for beginners, $47 value. Bonus 2, YouTube cash, value of $67. Bonus 3, how to manage your time wisely in 2020, value of $67. 25 free traffic sources, value of $97. And bonus number 5, side hustle success, value of $17. Combined, that's $295 extra value when you get Xmas Income Monster today. Okay, so let me show you how to find your bonuses. Just remember, you have to click one of these green buttons that say click here to get Xmas Income Monster now on my bonus page before you go to the sales page to check out so that you get my bonuses locked in, okay? Okay, let me go ahead now and show you how to find your bonuses inside of Warrior Plus. So step 1, you're going to log into your Warrior Plus account. Go ahead and click on your little name right here with the drop-down tab. Then you're going to look for purchase history. Once you find that, you're going to look for the product. In this case, it's going to be Xmas Income Monster. Click that. You're going to go to the next page on step 3, and you're going to see the green button where you can access your purchase, and then you're going to see the green button where it says access affiliate bonuses. So that's going to wrap up my Xmas Income Monster review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that this helps you make an educated decision if you think that this product is a good fit for you or your business. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi and coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And guys, happy marketing.